Hi my friends, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out this miniature chainsaw. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get. So guys, it comes in a nice carrying case. Guys, they come with nice gloves. You get a spare chain. You get your manual. They give you a screwdriver. Your tool for tightening and loosening this compartment to access your chain. So let's see, they give you your battery charger. You get two batteries. These are 18 volts, 1500 mAh batteries. Safety goggles, and this is the unit itself. Overall, very nice looking. Protective guard on the top here. You have to press in the safety button right here to allow you to actually use it. So there's a nice lock. The button's on both sides. You press it to unlock it, press it to lock it. Nice carrying handle. So if you want to put it around your arm, that would help you if you accidentally drop it. So just like that. So guys, the battery slides in just like this. So very powerful blade. Let's go ahead and test it out. So guys, everybody tests these out with those small little branches. Let's actually try it on some hard wood. How about that? Well, I think it's safe to say this does a good job. Wow, we almost cut straight through that. Look at that. And that's it, right straight through. I think it's safe to say this does an amazing job.